On December 8, 2024, a Mountain Home, Arkansas police officer was monitoring traffic when he spotted a black Ford Edge. A quick plate check revealed it was registered to a tan Nissan. He flipped on his emergency lights and the vehicle pulled over. What began as a routine traffic stop ends with a hidden surprise. This is how it went down.
Suspect is in custody.
Hey, how's it going, guys? I'll pay my home police department. David, are you getting a different tag for this, or are you putting the old tag on it? It's going to go to this one? Okay, do you got proof of insurance for this or anything?
No, it's going to go through. We just, like I said, we just went and take gas for it.
Okay. Well, I ran a tag on that, and it's coming back to a Nissan with no insurance on it. I know I need proof, and I need the VIN or something that I can run where it will show me it has insurance. Get where I'm coming from?
Yeah, I'll call my wife to go right there and call.
You're good. That'll work. You got your driver's license, buddy? Yeah. Ma'am, do you got your ID on you? Okay. What's your name? Lisa, what's your last name? Last name? Pederson? Okay. I'll tell you what. You said you're going to call your wife and get a copy of the insurance. You'll grab your phone, just step to the front of my car. I'll run everything, just try and kick you out of here, okay? As long as you can show me insurance, we're good, okay?
All right, thank you.
Hang tight, guys. I'll try and get you out of here, okay? Yes, who's with them? Lisa Pederson. 41P. You can confirm a 29 deal number. Lisa, what's your date of birth?
5/31/75.
5/31/75. Okay. You'll hop out here for me. We're going to talk about some stuff.
Problem?
Probably.
What's up?
Step back here in the front of my car for me, Lisa. Anything in your pockets or anything like that get you in trouble?
Keys. Nothing that get me in trouble.
Okay, go to that car, okay? I want to check your pockets. You know anything about a board of parole warrant? What? Board of parole warrant for Lisa here?
Are you serious?
Yeah. Go ahead. 10-4, go ahead.
29.
Lisa, what's in here?
There's nothing in there.
Nothing. Anything in your bra? You're good. You mind unzipping your jacket? Any pockets on the inside?
No, sir.
Nothing in your boots or anything like that?
No.
Alright. Let's go over there to the passenger side of that car, okay? That one right there with the lights, the blue lights. Hey, if you'll turn and go and just put your hands behind your back for me, okay? We're confirming that warrant. Just have a seat right there for me, okay?
Oh, how did you get there?
Just take a seat.
Okay.
Turn around, put your butt first. Swing your legs up in there.
Okay.
Anything in there that's going to get you in trouble or he's going to try and blame on you?
No.
Let you know of? Okay.
No.
Nothing on you and your underwear or anything weird like that?
No.
I'm sure you understand if we get to the jail, it's a whole other charge as far as that goes.
Yes.
Okay.
Like I said, I don't fuck around anymore. We ain't supposed to do any stuff, man.
See anything in the trunk?
Just that spare tire.
Does it lift up under the...
It probably does. We look at it. Talk to Mom and 78 under our loan for the I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, you, man.
Probably.
Yeah, it wasn't very nice of you. But anyway.
You win some, you lose some. Get out of here, I ain't going to write you a ticket. Okay?
Sure. Oh, for that, I'm legal for 60 days.
What's that?
I'm legal for 60
You
days.
couldn't provide me proof of insurance. I could write you on that if I wanted. Right? We can keep talking about it, though.
Not here, man.
Exactly. Seatbelt you in.
These are hurt really bad.
Hang tight, we'll make it quick. $41 PD, we can 15, one female, 19 to the ditch. 41 PD, I'll be out of jail. Alright. Almost told you to hop out. Can't hop out, can you? Put that right there for me. Go right there. One more time, nothing on you, anything like that, get you in trouble because they're going to body scan you when you get in here.
Well, am I going to get in more trouble if I give it to you now, or how does that work?
It's more trouble if you get caught with it in there.
I'm going to get in trouble either way.
Yeah. Where's it at?
It's in my pants.
Where in your pants? Where in your pants?
In my underwear.
In your underwear? Okay.
I'd rather just hand it to you now if possible. Or...
Well, you told me about it now, so it ain't gonna. You're not gonna get in trouble for bringing it in there. It's furnishing a prohibited article.
Okay.
If you go in there. But you told me about it, so let's go in here. What is it? Just pipe or some dope or?
It's a rig.
Huh?
It's a rig.
Just a rig. Okay.
I'm sorry I didn't tell you before. I just didn't know what to do, you know.
Hey, Burns, she admitted she's got some stuff in her underwear, so.
Okay. I gotta scan you first and to put you through with that chair. There's no weapons or anything in there. Okay.
Did I take it off? Or...
Let's go right in
Yeah,
there.
I'll take them off for you.
13, she did have something. You want her to reach in there and grab that?
You want to grab it real quick, face that way and grab one of these straps. Is that it? It's nothing else. This machine will find it.
Get it all.
What else you got?
That's good.
There's nothing else during your search either way. Okay, hop on that scanner. Wait for somebody to get down here. Hop on that scanner.
I'm gonna grab a. Is that loaded?
Yeah.
Yep.
Lisa Pederson was arrested and charged with felony possession of drug paraphernalia, felony possession of a controlled substance meth or cocaine, and a parole violation. Her bond was set at $5,000. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.